Thank you for choosing Kennelite. This training video will illustrate how to use Account Search By and also how to use Pet Search By. Locating account holders and/or pets in Kennelite is easy. Go to the main window, the main toolbar, and left-click on the search icon. You will find Account Pet Search. In looking for account holders, Account Search By has many different variables. There is Account Search by Name, Name Sounds Like, Phone, Account Number, Folder, Email. Right now, let's look at Account Search by Name. When using Account Search by Name, you can use many different variables to find the account holders that you are looking for. Account Search by Name is also the default setting in Kennelite. This can be changed at any time in Tools, Options, Account Pet Search. When using Account Search by Name, you have a few choices. The first choice would be to enter the first few characters of an account holder's last name. You can then choose the account holder from the list below. To further filter your results, you can also enter the first few characters of the last name, followed by a comma, then the first few characters of the account holder's first name. This will further filter your results. You can choose your selection. If your staff is used to using an account holder's first name, you can also choose the Escape key to access the Account Search by Name. Then in the box, you can also enter the account holder's first name or the first few characters of the first name, followed by a space, then the first few characters of the last name. When using the account in Pet Search, the contacts on the account holder's account will also be searched. For example, if I search for Lynn Smith, Lynn Smith is not an account holder in our database, but she is a contact on the account holder and Rick's. So as I search for her, her information and her contact information are both searched. The information shown from the results is the information for the account holder, even though we searched for the contact. The next feature for Account Search By is Account Search by Name Sounds Like. This is used when you do not know the exact spelling of the account holder's first name, last name, or the contact's first name, last name. You simply add the characters in to simulate what the last or first name would sound like. Then you pick from the results that are shown the correct entry. Now let's look at the next Account Search By feature. This feature searches by phone number. The phone number searched can be the client's phone number or it could be the contact's phone number. When I enter this phone number, it is the account holder's phone number. The account holder's information is shown and the account holder's phone number is shown. In turn, when I search for this phone number, it is actually the phone number for the account holder's contact. So the account holder is triggered in the search by the contact's phone number, but the information shown is for the account holder and not the contact. It is also good to note when using Account Search by Phone and Kennelite the entire phone number must be used, including area code. This is true when searching for the account holder's phone number or when searching for the contact's phone number. The next account search by feature that we are going to look at is account search by account number. When searching by account number, Kennelite is looking for the number that is present above the account holder's first name in the account area. For example, if I go to account search by, I choose account number. In account number, I'm going to put in number 2. It brings up Hans Rose. If I select on Hans Rose, the number present above his first name is 2. If I go back into account search by, I choose account number. This time I'm going to search for account number 3. It brings up Joey Ricks. The next search option for account search by that we're going to look at is folder. Each account holder can have a folder. Each pet can have a folder. In the account search by window, the account holder's folder numbers are being searched. When we look later in this video at the pet search by feature, the pets folder will be looked at. So as I choose folder, you can see in the window behind me, it was Hans Rose. His folder number is 101. So if I put in folder number 100, it shows me account holder Ann Ricks. If I left click on Ann Ricks and select her account, it takes us to the account where you can see the folder number in the information. The last account search by feature that we will look at is account search by email. Like most of the other features, account search by email will search the main account holder's information and will also search the contact's information. So I have a contact that I know their email is l.s.@email.com. So when I enter this information, the contact, Lynn Smith, who has that email address, is listed on account holder Ann Ricks, whose information is shown. I also have an account holder whose email address is user 1234 at email.com. When I pull this information up, it shows me Hans Rose's account. So when I click on that, just to double check, I open the account holder information listed in the email. Next feature in Kennelite that we will look at is the pet search by. The pet search by can be searched by name. Name sounds like our folder. When searching by name, you select and simply type in the name of the pet that you are looking for. The results will be shown below. The next Kennelite feature that we're going to look at is the pet search by name sounds like. This feature is used when you know the name of the pet, but you're unsure of how to spell it. In my Kennelite database, I have a pet with the name of Hansel. I am unsure of how to spell Hansel, so I am going to type in how it sounds. Kennelite then finds the suitable matches and displays them for me. When I select, the last search by feature that we are going to look at is pet search by folder. As each account holder can have a folder, each pet can have their own folder also. In the window behind my search, I have Hansel pulled up. Hansel has folder number 102A. I am going to search for 101A and see who we find. it comes up to Frisky, who is with account holder Hans Rose. If I select that account, it will take me to Frisky, who, as you can see, does have a folder number of 101A. In Kennelite, the search feature can also be accessed by using the escape key. When in the account and pet search, it is also good to know that the account search by field and the pet search by field can be used simultaneously. I have a pet whose name is Gretel. I also know that the account holder's name is Joey and that his last name starts with the letter R. Upon entering this information, the correct pet and account holder will be shown, and then I can access them.